here, you're starting on key number 5 and 11. Okay. Notice our rhythm. Double right, double right, double right. So 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 3 and 11. 6 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 15. 1. Then back to 5 and 9. 2, 3. 3 times. So if you're doing the continuous process, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. If you're singing the melody, you're starting on key number 5 and 8. 5, 8, 5, 8, 5, 8, double 5, 8. Again. 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 Second melody. Again. Now the whole sound.